So this is the thing. I know programming can be challenging, especially when you are a beginner and you run from course to course. I used to have this issue. Like for example, today I might be learning HTML. Next thing I know, I'm jumping straight to CSS and JavaScript. So this created gaps in my knowledge. To help solve this issue, I've created this special template for you. So this template will make sure that you are always down with any course before you jump straight to the next course. So the template will guide you in your programming journey. Let's go check out the template. Once you have the template open, the first thing you might want to do is create a course. So just click on the new tab over here to create a course. Let's take it, this is a JavaScript course, so I'll have my course name JavaScript. So now you can set the status of the course either planning or in progress or pause or completed. So in progress. So now you can just come and select the due date. So now you can set your due date. You can even add an end date to it, so a start date and an end date over here. So I can add an end date and this is my start date. So now you can even include time, or you can even set reminders. So I can set a reminder over here. So yes, you can select any reminder and then now you can click over here to set your due date and reminder. So now this completion will track your course progress. So now you can just select over here and add an emoji to your course. So I can select this emoji, I can select the color over. So now click open to open. Once you have it open, you can just maximize it over here. Now you can scroll down and this is the board view. You can change it to the text view over here. So this is just a view, so this is a board view and this is the text view. You can click on the new tab to add a new lesson. So here we are adding lessons. So I'll add my first lesson over here. So my first lesson can be installing VS Code, and I'll press enter. So I can also add another lesson, so just add your lessons. So after installing VS Code, I can write creating my first website. So after this, I can have variables. So let me just add the lesson. So once I'm done, I'll get back to you. Added my lessons, so these are my lessons over here. So you can just add the lessons concerning the course. So once you are done, you can just set the status of any lesson. So for example, if I'm starting the installing VS Code, I can set the status to in progress, meaning I'm currently learning that lesson. So now I can select a due date over here. So I can select a start date and an end date. Let me just select this date. So let me click over here. Once I'm done with the lesson, I can set the status to done and I can just select any lesson again. So I can select this lesson, then I can make it in progress. So you can also select the board view. So once you select the board view, you have this view over here. You can just be sending them. So if I send this, I will send it to in progress, and then I can send this to done, then I can send this to done, then I can send this to in progress again. So you can use the board view over here to be changing between various status, and we have the text view over here. So now once you are done with all your lessons and all the lessons are done, you can simply go back. So if I click over here, I will go back to my learning progress tracker. So now you can check your completion over here. So I've completed 37% of the course. So now you can track your course completion and keep you organized. Click the link in the video description to subscribe to my email list and I'll automatically send an email. Open the email and click the link to download my learning progress tracker template. Duplicate the Notion template and start using it. If you are someone who is looking forward to learn programming and web development, I create courses on both. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can click on my profile to check my profile and enroll in any of my courses. So most of my courses are always short, so I like to create short courses. I like to go straight to the point rather than beating around the bush.